I want to share with you guys this Bissell SteamShot Deluxe. I have been so amazed with everything that it can do. And it's such a simple device and it's affordable too. So it's a steamer. You put the water in here. It does come with a cup to fill it up. It does have this safety measure. You have to push it down before you can pull this or twist this off. You just twist that off. Put 6.6 ounces of water in there, and then you just screw this thing back on here. Make sure and push it down so that that safety lock is in place. This blows out tons of really hot steam. The way that you activate the steam is you just press down on this little lever right here, and it does come with a lot of attachments. I love this one for my tile. And then it also comes with a longer brush, these two little smaller brushes, and then it comes with this. So it will kind of bend to get in those hard to reach areas. And how you attach them is they just slide right on here like this. And it does have a really long cord, which is really nice. So today I am going to clean my tile with it. Let me show you how awesome this works. Once the pressure is built, you see, it has a lot of force behind that steam. So just stick your attachment on here and let's get cleaning.
Look how much cleaner my tile is now.